In today's video, we're going to show you a flexible way to keep your WhatsApp on iPhone to Google Drive. This updated method for 2024 makes sure your chats and media are safely stored, so let's dive right in. Backing up your WhatsApp chats is crucial to avoid losing important messages and media. When iCloud is the default backup option for iPhone users, some of us prefer using Google Drive for various reasons, like having a unified backup across platforms or simply because of more storage availability. To back up WhatsApp from your iPhone to Google Drive, you'll need a few things: an iPhone with WhatsApp installed, a computer, a Google account with Google Drive, a reliable internet connection, and any third party software like AnyTrans or MobileTrans. Now, first, we need to back up WhatsApp from your iPhone to your computer. Use any of third party that you prefer. Download and install the third party from the official website. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Open the app and select Social Messages Manager from the side menu. Click on WhatsApp to device and then choose Backup WhatsApp. And that's how we back up WhatsApp to our computer. Now let's move to the next step. Now transfer backup to Google Drive. We'll transfer the WhatsApp backup from the computer to Google Drive. Open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Log into your Google account, click on New and select File Upload. Navigate to the location where the WhatsApp backup is stored on your computer and select it. Click Open to start the upload process. And your WhatsApp backup is now safely stored in Google Drive. For added flexibility, you can download this backup to any device with access to your Google account. And that's all there is to it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.